Lisa here. It's time for another Winter Birds Junk Journal, part number 3. And first off, what I wanted to do before I get started with anything that I'm going to show you, I have some happy mail that I want to share that I got today, and it's pretty fun. It's pretty exciting. And so, let me see here it is. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but it's in one of these kind of magazine holder kind of things, and I will show you what I got. So first off, I got some of this Graphics 45 paper. This is the front, this is the back, and these papers are all the same. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, I got like 6 pages of these. And anyway, I just thought those were so pretty. I love it. And I also got these Graphic 45 pages too. Oh, I forgot to show you the back of this one. Okay. This is the front of that. Here's the back. Love it. And then these are really cute too. Graphics 45, I love that. These are autumn pictures and things. And this is the back. It's a beautiful green. Love green. Love that. So, got that. And I got some of these papers in like a paper pack. And they got, you know, a map on them. Those are nice to have. And I got these really neat, cool, they're like a bag, but they have a cutout in them. And I think she said that they were used for making one of those bag lanterns where you put, you know, your tea light in the bottom of here and have it like illuminate. And that could be what they are. But they're fun. I could try to do something with them in my journals. And I got some papers. I got, oh, some of these are so cool. These are just some of those flip overs that you can use for putting in your journals. And I might use these. That's good. Then I got some napkins. I love napkins, you guys. Here's some different napkins that I got. Here's a really cute. I got some Christmas ones. They're really cute. And here's this one opened up. It's very cute. Love it. And I got another one just like it. And I got another Christmas one with words on it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Got 2 of those. I got a Christmas tree one. Some different Christmas trees in it. Really fun. Got 2 of these. And do I got any more napkins? Yep. I got this one. It's really pretty. This one. I like this one too, it's pretty. And some more Christmas ones with the trees on them, Christmas trees. I can use these definitely for next year for Christmas. And I got this was a little reindeer. Okay. And I got some lace, some blue lace that I can use for pockets. That'd be really pretty for pockets. And oh, I got a bunch of stuff. And I got some lace. I can use that. I got this really pretty lace with the gold on it. It's really pretty. And this is part of a piece of fabric that she cut out. And she gave this to me. I thought I could use it for a pocket. Very colorful. It's more lace. And these, you know, these are like something you could wear on your wrist if you wanted. But really what I thought was cool about it is that you could take like something like a journal like this, and what she meant was that you could put this on here as a holder for your journal. I thought that was really creative idea. So that's something that person could do. And then I got 2 of these. Then I got these. Now, I never had seen these before, and I thought these are the coolest things. So, it's just something like a belt, excuse me, that you would put as a closure on your book, on your journal. I love these. You know, how cute is that? And, you know, I was thinking about, you could even take an old belt even like this, and you could just cut it. And I never thought about it ever before. And you could either put it on as a closure on your journal. That's so just clever. So clever. And then I got these little wooden, I love these. These are so pretty. These little wooden, there's a bunch of these. Different little wooden pieces you can put in your journals. You can put on your cover if you did a, you know, put them on your cover. And I just got a variety of different ones. Like that. And then she threw in some of these cat paper clips. I like cats, so that's cool. I have 2 cats. That's really neat. Put that too. And that's pretty much all I got. But it's so fun. This is going to be just so fun. Oh, and I also got, and I don't know what I put them, but I also got 2 magazines. I got a magazine, and I got a card making magazine also from her. I don't have them in front of me, but they're definitely here somewhere. And so anyway, I'm going to be having just a lot of fun with these things here that she gave me. So I'm going to set those aside, and then I'll get back to what we're doing. Get back to making my book. So, anyways, here's what we've been working on. This is a journal that we've been working on, and as you saw me last time, we did the front inside. We did also the back inside. So today, what I thought I would do is make something like a little extension to put on the edge of this first page here. Something like this. And it would open up for more journaling on each side of these pages. So anyway, here I go at the attempt of trying to make this little flip out that I'm going to make. And I'm going to use this also for the flip out. And so I'm going to take my page, I'm going to fold this in half. Fold it in half. Like that. Then I want it to be the same size as this here. So I'm going to take this and put this over here, I'm believing, where it folds. And I'm just going to draw a line around this here. So then I'm going to kind of cut on just right up that line. And I'm going to follow this line all the way past the fold and just go straight to the end. I'm going to trim it up again in a second. Alright, so here's, I'm making pretty much like a card, pretty much. And it's going to be probably the same size as this here. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this. To form this card. Making sure I'm going to get it straight on there. Like that. And I'm going to trim this up a little bit. It's a little bit off. Okay, like that. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this card, just like this. I'm going to ink it in a minute, and I'm going to slip it over my page, just like that. This part I'm going to glue on here. And then I'm going to take my doily, put my doily over the top, like this, just like that. So you have a double pocket on each side, just like this. And then I'm going to make it to where you can open it up and make it a flip out on each side. Like this. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and ink these first while I'm doing this. I'm going to ink the inside of it with my frayed burlap I got. Ink the whole inside of it. And if by some chance that this goes over and it goes into the next video, then you'll know that we're going to be doing 3 and 4 today. But if not, it might be all in one video. Just in case it might go over. Just letting you know that it might. Okay. All right. And let's fold it here so we can do the middle too. Okay, we got it. Now we're gonna take. Oh, you know, I should do the outside too. Might as well. I was off today. Caught up with a friend of mine over at the thrift store, and she just shows up and she goes, "Well, there you are," because she was supposed to come over earlier to my house and she didn't show up at 11. And I thought, oh well, maybe she got busy. She, you know, doing something. And she shows up and she goes, "Well, there you are." It's just really funny. So, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on here with my glue stick. Gonna glue the back of this first, I'm believing. Okay. And it was just really funny, and then she ended up giving me some Happy Mail, and then I ended up getting some stuff at the thrift store too that I don't have with me right now. Or I have it with me, I could even share it. I might be able to share it today, or if not today, then I'll share it next time. But yeah, it was really funny. It was like, what are the chances of that? Running into somebody. Well, I guess it happens if you're in the same town, right? So, okay. So then I'm going to take this little card here and put it over the top of each of these pages. Just like that. And you know, and I don't know which side I want. If I want it this side on this or this. You know, I think I might have this side on this side here. But this is a little bit bigger than the paper underneath that's making the card. So I'm going to just trim it up just a smidge. Let's just trim it up a little bit. Okay, there we go. So we put it on here. Put my doily in between here on here. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this doily on each side of it. Or at least in the center, just to hold it down. Just a little bit there on each side. Go there. And then I'm going to just do just the bottom part here, because you can make it a little tuck spot here, maybe perhaps. Like that. And then on this side, I'm going to put a strip of glue down. Put this again, just like I did the other. Like that. Make sure this is the right side up, and it is. So we're going to put it on the page like that. And then, in between the pages here, where this bends, right here, I'm going to just pull it out just a little bit, and I'm going to measure, I'm going to take some of this paper that's the right length of here, and I'm going to cut this in half. So I have 2 strips that are the same, and it doesn't matter if it's printed on the other side because we're going to use the white side. And this, I'm going to just peel that off there. Okay. And now what I want to do first off is I want to take these and fold these in half. Like that. Get out my bone folder. Where did I do? Here it is. And just get it nice and straight. Okay, you're going to do that with both of these. And you're going to make sure that the color, let me see, let me make sure here. You want to make sure that the color, excuse me, is on the outside. Make sure the color is on the outside. Let me see here. Yeah, color on the outside. So, because you don't want the color to show, you want just the white to show on this when you're folding these. So, make sure you get a nice crease, okay? And then we're going to take it, put it, making sure that the opening is on top and not on the bottom. We're going to put this right on the page, this. And then I'm going to open it up, carefully open it up, and I'm going to leave a little bit of a space, so when I'm opening and closing it, there's a little bit of a space there, just if you can see that. Then I'm going to take the strip, and first off I'm going to glue it to this part, and then I'm going to glue it here. Okay? So what I want to do is just put glue on both sides of this. Make it easier that way. Just like that. Okay? Then we're going to take it, making sure that this is right where I want it to be, a little bit over so that it bends. Okay, I want to put the printed side down on the one side. Okay, make sure it's down there really good. And then we want to put the other side on to the card. Oh, and you know what? It's not even, so, oh man. I hate that when that happens, but you know how it is. You know how it is, us creators. We have to redo it sometimes. Okay, I want to make sure that that's nice and in where I want it to be, in the center. I need to pull it down a little bit. Okay, like that. And then you want to just go ahead and put the other side down too, like that. And then look at that. We just created a little flip out on one side, like this. See? And then on this side, we're going to do the same on this side. And I'm going to go ahead and glue the printed side down, both sides. Okay. Making sure that there's a little gap there. There is. And we're going to take one side and put it on the paper and the other side on the card. It's like that. Okay. And then we want to make sure that that's going to, you know, flip like we want it to. I got little glue bits everywhere. Okay. And now if you wanted to go back, you could go back and put in your, you know, your double-sided sticky tape. If that's, it might, you know, if you wanted to put more of a seal on that, you could do that. You could do anything you want, any kind of glue you want. Okay. So, and then it just folds in like this. So it looks like a double-sided page. You know, it's kind of neat, actually. And so then on these, both of these pages, now you could even put like a clip or a paper clip or something to hold them together. But I'm just going to hold this here for now, just to show you what I'm going to do next. Oh, and of course, you know, you can also, you know, ink it on the edges of this if you want it. You sure can do that. You know. Okay, and then on the bird pictures, I thought I would just use this cute little bird picture and just put it right in there like that. You know, just glue it down. And then when you open it up, it's attached to it. And I got words on the back of it. And, you know, do that. I'm thinking about if I should put more paper on the back, some tea-dyed paper on the back of this. Let me look and see if I can get to my tea-dyed paper. Okay, I got it. I got it. I'm going to use this to glue onto here to make it more of like a journaling card. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and use my glue stick again. And just put some glue on it. Stick it on here. Like that. Okay. And then what I did is I used my pinking shears to do the edge on this, and I think I'll go ahead and do that on here too. I'll just follow right on the edge of where I cut these out before. You know, and even if they're not perfect, it's okay. But this is one of the bird pictures that I turned into a stamp. Looks like a stamp. That'll look really neat. Okay. And of course the top too. Alright, look at that! Came out really cute. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and ink the edges on this. Frayed burlap. And I'm going to also ink the back of it for my lines. Okay. I just use some ledger paper to put on the back to bind it, some of my coffee dyed ledger paper. Okay, looks cute. And then we're just going to pop it right in there like that. Just like that. It's going to be a freestanding little card. And I mean, put the clip on there to hold it there for now so you can get a good look at what that looks like. Okay, and then on this side, I thought I would do something, another kind of page on this side, another kind of bird on this side. Let's see, where's my smaller one? I had a picture that was a little bit smaller than that picture. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Here's this one. And I thought I would just put that in there also, just on the corner like that. I think it looks kind of cute. And this one I'm going to just kind of glue it down. It sticks in here like this, but I kind of wanted it to stay that way, and so I'm going to go ahead and put some glue on the back of here and stick it right in there like that, like kitty corner. I like it kind of like a, you know, kind of at an angle. I like it. Look at that. Cool. Alright, now this, since this is a little bit sticking on there a little bit, I'm going to just trim a little bit off there like that. Okay? Just like that. And then when you want to write, you can lift it up. You can have two places to do your journaling. Fold it over, and then on here you have two places to do your journaling. It's really white. I want to try to, I might put some paper on here to make this darker in our next video or something like that. So, okay. And so anyway, that's, looks kind of cute. Kind of like it. All right. And then of course you can also, you know, add some buttons or, you know, some different things to it also if you like. Let me see, 24 minutes. Okay. I got these really cool metal buttons, and I love them. I just collect them. I just love them so much. And I just wanted to see if I could get anything that was even flat that I could even put on here, you know, for these. Get out my PVA glue and just put some of these on here, like in the corner. Put this in the corner right here. Just like that. Okay. And I love this, my eyelash trim. Put that dots somewhere on here too. Okay, cut off a little bit more. The eyelash trim. What I'm going to do is lift this button up and put this right under there. It looks neat. That. Okay. I'm going to put some more glue on here. I think sticking to it. Alright. Okay. And I'm thinking about maybe a little bit even smaller than this. A little bit of a piece like that as well. There's a piece here too. Alright, I'm going to make that half of that. And I'm going to just put it on here and put my button on right on it. Okay. Like that. Alright. Looks like a little bird's nest. You know. On here, put some I like these little things. I've used these before. These little lace deals. I like them. Okay. And I'll just go ahead and put one on this corner here, I think, and right here. With this in the button on it. Got the button on it. Like that. Looks cute. Okay. I need to put it actually all on the button because it's just not going really good here. Okay. Alright guys, isn't that cute? That I need to get a clip for. It is not going to stay unless I hold it on with something. Here, I guess. Clip. Like that. And that's going to hold it there while it dries. Alright guys, well that is our video part 3 of my of our Winter Birds part 3 junk journal. And so this is what we're going to do. So anyway, I hope you guys liked it. I had a fun time doing it, and it came out really cute, I think. It's got a button on each one of them, and then this flips out again, and then you've got your two-sided page with your flip out. So, alright guys, I enjoy bringing you videos when I get a chance to do them, and I'm having such a good time doing it. And just want to let you guys know that either tomorrow or the next day I will be bringing you another video in the Winter Birds Junk Journal, and it will be part 4. So, okay guys, well thank you guys for your thumbs up, for your comments, and I will leave my Etsy shop address on the bottom in my description box, so you can check that out. I still have some of my junk journals available for sale if you guys are interested. And make sure you tell your friends, give me thumbs up, and subscribe. So thank you so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye!